Hey everybody, this is Scott from DVC-Rental and Buy and Sell DVC. We are at Disney's Old Key West. We're in a 3-bedroom grand villa. It's an absolutely beautiful room. It's huge. It's 2,375 square feet. When you come in on the left, you've got your staircase going upstairs. We'll go up there in a little bit. It opens up to vaulted ceilings, probably 25-foot ceilings, probably 20, who knows. But it is beautiful in here. Has the biggest TV I've seen on Disney property. Probably 70-inch, massive TV. It has a Logitech sound bar on there. I didn't see if there are any extra speakers in the room. I didn't see them, but it does have at least have a Logitech sound bar and the Logitech remote control. Looks like it's got like an LED panel on it as well. So you've got a sitting area here. This room is big. The floors are really, really nice too. It's silly, but they're beautiful looking floors. You got the little balcony for upstairs. So you've got the table here that seats 4. Then you have a full dining room in here, seating another 8. And this room does sleep up to 12 plus an infant. Full kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, nice little island in the middle. You have a little laundry room with the washer dryer. It's nice that they give you the little basket as well. Silly, but little things. So if you go through here, again, this is where the entrance was. There's your door you came in. Now we're going here. This is the master bedroom. King size bed. It has a little peekaboo window into the bathroom as well. Got a big closet. Nice soak-in jacuzzi tub. Very big vanity. I mean, that mirror is probably 6.5 feet diagonally. So big area, dual sinks. Nice shower. Private little throne room in here. We'll head out. So that's one bathroom, shower. Gotta keep track here. One bathroom, shower, everything. Again, there's a second bathroom right over here. Another nice tiled shower. So there's 2 bathrooms on the main floor. Again, I have to keep track myself, to be honest. Also, this room, this is building 19 at Old Key West, which is Miller's Road area. You have a nice balcony overlooking the quiet pool. So another seating for 4 out here, and access to the master from the balcony as well. But nice little quiet area back here. Jacuzzi, private pool. There's a pond and water feature in the background. Really nice quiet area. I like this. This really is a nice room. We were very pleasantly surprised by how nice this is. So we'll head upstairs. They have little cutouts over here on the right going up. First thing we told them is, my sons, no playing on those. No hanging out on those and playing. So go up the steps. we'll go in here. So this bedroom has the 2 queen beds in it. Little LED TV. Small LED TV, but still not bad. All right. Hello. Another pretty large closet here. Really large closet, actually. Goes back a lot further. Again, nice little area. Granite countertops. Tiled shower, rainfall, shower head. Again, this is 2375 square footage. So a large room. What's this? Is that nice little balcony looking down over the main living room down below. This is the 3rd bedroom. These are the full beds. Not actually, I'm confused. Actually, the last ones, I think they look the same. Those were actually doubles or full beds. These are the queens. My apology. Very, very similar sized, but these are the queens here. Big. This is a pretty big room. Another LED TV. Overlooking the pool. Hard to tell, but maybe you can say, I mean, this is a nice size 3rd bedroom. Another big closet. There you go. Set up where you're outside of the shower, so that's definitely helpful because you have somebody in the shower using the shower or using the facilities, and somebody else can be out here and getting ready in the meantime. Only 1 sink in this room, but absolutely beautiful, beautiful room. Love this so far. But again, this is Disney's Old Key West. Grand Villa, sleeps 12 plus an infant, so you have up to 13 people in here. We are actually here for my son's birthday. He's gonna have a couple of his friends stay over for the night. But again, great room if you've got a large family, or if you want to do something celebratory like a birthday, anniversary, you can have a bunch of guests, Super Bowl party, you know, whatever it is. Really, really hard to beat this room. And what's good is that Old Key West has the least expensive grand villas too. So like bang for the buck wise, you're looking for a grand villa, Old Key West is the way to go.